Network 18 has the most number of news channels in India. It has 21 news channels catering to both national and regional viewers and is offered across 18 states in 11 languages. Our entertainment and infotainment business, in partnership with Viacom 18 and A+E, has 26 channels. Colors is among the top 2 channels in the country, while Nick, MTV, VH1 and Comedy Central are top channels in their genres. On the digital side, our combined Network 18's digital site attracts over 27 million unique visitors every month, which is the largest in India. We continue to be leaders in multiple segments, such as Book My Show for tickets, Money Control in finance, News18.com, and First Post for news and opinion. And with home shopping and Yatra, the group has invested in some of the most successful digital properties in India. We are aggressively investing in content by rolling out new channels. Dear shareholders, retail business is central to our consumer-facing business and is growing at a rapid pace. In our petroleum retail business, over 1,050 fuel retail outlets have been operational across India in the last year, and another 200 are in advanced stages of being recommissioned. Reliance has the best fleet management program and an unmatched IT digital backbone to enable unique and delightful experience for customers at all touch points. This has enabled us to achieve a per outlet sales that is amongst the highest in the industry. Once all our existing assets are recommissioned, we will continue our investment to expand this business and dominate the fuel sales across highways in India. Dear share owners, Reliance Retail continues to be India's most admired, most profitable, and largest retail company. It enjoys leadership in multiple formats, from grocery to apparel to digital products. The overall business has nearly tripled in the last 5 years. We have built the widest geographical footprint with physical stores now covering nearly 3,500 stores in 679 cities. Spread over 13 million square feet and many more through our e-commerce reach. Serving grocery and products for daily needs, Reliance Fresh and Smart continue to be the preferred convenience and supermarket destinations for over 27.5 lakh Indians every week. Our engagement with 25 lakh kiranas and small businesses through our Reliance Market cash and carry stores has extended the gains of sourcing and modern supply chain, making them more efficient and productive. In the apparel business, we have invested significantly to bring affordable fashion to our customers and actively work with a large number of partners. Reliance Trends has emerged as the favorite fashion retail chain in the country, built on the principles of democratizing fashion for an aspiring Indian customer. We retail over 17 lakh garments every week, making our consumers more fashionable each day. Ajio.com, the curated fashion online store launched this April, has been steadily gaining loyal customers in the fashion segment. We are proud to represent over 25 prestigious international brands as our exclusive partners to bring luxury to Indians across the country. Today, when India thinks of technology products, it thinks Reliance Digital. Reliance Digital is the undisputed leader in the electronics retail space and has been voted India's best CDIT retail brand for 4 consecutive years. In order to support the entry of Jio, Reliance Digital has been aggressively expanding the network by a mix of own stores and supporting small retailers using our supply chain, technology, and logistics infrastructure. We have successfully set up a large distribution network with a presence of over 500,000 retailers across the country for Jio. We currently retail nearly 12 lakh handsets per month, reflecting the strength of our distribution business. I am confident that Reliance Retail would become a major growth pillar for us in the years to come. Reliance Foundation. Dear shareowners, under Nita Ambani's able guidance, Reliance Foundation continues to be the largest corporate foundation in India, working on diverse development challenges. For the Reliance Foundation and all of us at Reliance, we want to congratulate Nita on her election to the highest sports body in the world, the International Olympics Committee. She is the first Indian woman to be on that platform. So congratulations, Nita. Reliance Foundation has built a strong team of over 500 people who reach out to more than 10,000 villages spread over 14 states, impacting the lives of over 7 million. We continue to work in areas of education, healthcare, rural transformation, promoting Indian arts and culture, sports for development, and disaster relief. In the last year, in the area of education, Reliance Foundation did a pilot. With Jio, we set up virtual classrooms in 96 schools in Andhra Pradesh and Gujarat, reaching out to over 20,000 students. With the objective of improving the quality of teaching and learning outcomes. And our results are very encouraging. We envision Reliance's education initiative to expand nationally in this important area on the back of our Jio network. The foundation continued its efforts in area of sports development of the youth and to revive the sporting culture in the country. The foundation recently launched the Reliance Foundation Youth Sports that aims to develop grassroots sports in India by creating organized school and college sports competitions. Every year, the foundation continues to respond to unforeseen natural disasters.
ये थी रिलायंस की एजीएम। शायद अगर मैं इसको कहूं कि रिलायंस जियो की एजीएम थी तो शायद गलत नहीं होगा। ये पूरा पैनल जुड़ चुका है हमारे साथ। हम आपको आई थिंक रिलायंस जियो के बारे में बताएंगे, रिलायंस की एजीएम के बारे में बताएंगे, और आई थिंक आज के ये 42वीं एजीएम कहीं ना कहीं अगर आप देखें टेलीकॉम क्षेत्र में एक क्रांति लेके आई, क्योंकि इस एजीएम की सबसे बड़ी खबर है वो ये कि 5 सितंबर के बाद देश के किसी भी अगर आप देखें उपभोक्ता को, अगर वो रिलायंस का उपभोक्ता है टेलीकॉम सेवाओं को लेकर, तो उसको वॉइस कॉल के लिए पैसे नहीं देने पड़ेंगे। और डेटा के लिए अगर आप देखें, जहां आज की तारीख में आप 1 GB के लिए लगभग 250 रुपए देते हैं, अब महज 50 रुपए में अगर आप ग्राहक होंगे रिलायंस के 5 सितंबर से, तो 31 दिसंबर तक आपकी सेवाएं बिल्कुल फ्री रहेंगी। हमारा पूरा पैनल जुड़ चुका है हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए। अविनाश गोरक्षाकर हैं हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए, TS हरिहर हैं। लेकिन जैसे कि मैंने कहा कि ये रिलायंस की नहीं, रिलायंस जियो की एजीएम थी। एक बार मैं आपको तमाम टेलीकॉम स्टॉक्स दिखाना चाहूंगा। आई मीन जिस तरीके से आज के इस एजीएम में कहा गया है कि वॉइस टेलीफोनी के पैसे आज के बाद भारत नहीं चुकाएगा। आइडिया ऑलमोस्ट 7% नीचे, एडेलो पे आप जरा भारती को देखिए, दिन के सबसे निचले स्तरों पे टाटा कम्युनिकेशन ऑलमोस्ट अगर आप देखें 2% नीचे, और तीसरा स्टॉक है भारती एयरटेल, ये इस वक्त 6% नीचे। हमारे साथ इस वक्त बातचीत करने के लिए TS हरिहर हैं और साथ ही साथ अविनाश गोरक्षाकर हैं।